Oh gosh.
الحمد
Okay.
لله. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه ومن والاه. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. This is our first class, inshallah, the beginning of reading Quran, the journey of reading Quran, inshallah, fixing pronunciation. We will be learning tajweed, inshallah, fixing the tajweed, all the tajweed rules, and we will be reading Quran following the tajweed rules, inshallah. We will start with the first surah of the Quran, Surah Al-Fatiha, the most important surah of the entire Quran, inshallah. You ready, Fiona?
Yeah.
I will be sharing my screen, inshallah. I read first, then you repeat after me, please.
Okay.
Do you see my screen?
No.
Now
Oh,
you
okay, I
see.
see it now. I see
Thank
it.
you. أعوذ بالله أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. First, I want to let you know that whenever you start reciting Quran or reading Quran, you should start by saying أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Okay, this is a command.
Mm.
Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, فإذا قرأت القرآن فاستعذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Seek refuge, okay, in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala from a shaitan, okay, the cursed shaitan. So it's only once. Once is enough. If you are going to read Quran by yourself or in a class or something, you only need once of saying أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Okay? Then if it is the beginning of the surah, you say Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. If it is not the beginning of the surah, it's okay. You can say Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim or you can leave it. Okay? It's up to
Mm.
you. But أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم is highly recommended at the beginning of your recitation. Okay? Would you say
Yes.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم, please?
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
Good job. I know it's not that perfect, but it's okay, inshallah. By repeating, it will be okay, inshallah. Okay?
Okay.
Bismillah
بسم الله
ar-Rahmani
الرحمن
ar-Rahim.
الرحيم.
Yes. Do you see? We have three shadda in there. Shadda in the name of Allah. We say Allah. Okay? Right? Allah. Ar-Rahman. Do you remember the name of this lamb? Why? Why didn't we read this lamb?
Because I mean, I've it's the moon. It's the
No, not the moon.
wait. What was
Sun.
it?
Lam Shamsiyah.
Lam Shamsiya. There we go. Lam Shamsiya.
Lam Shamsiyah. Okay? But the other lamb is Lam Qamariyah.
Kamariya.
Okay? Qamariyah. Shamsiyah, for anyone who doesn't know, Shamsiyah يعني the sun. Shams from Shams, and word Shams means the sun. Qamariyah from word the Qamar, and Qamar means moon. Okay? Al-Qamariyah, the one written and pronounced. But Ash-Shamsiyah, written but not pronounced. Okay? And Ar-Rahim also. Ar-Rahim. Ar-Rahim, al-Lam is not pronounced too. Okay? Lam Shamsiyah too. Okay?
Okay.
The second ayah. الحمد لله رب العالمين.
الحمد لله رب العالمين.
This is the Lam Qamariya there. Alhamdu, right?
الحمد
Rabbil Alameen.
للعالمين.
Read it loudly, please. Say it
ال
loudly.
ال
Alhamdu. Make al-ha clear. Alhamdu.
الحمد لله رب العالمين.
Rabbil Alameen.
Rabbil Alamin.
Better to look at the screen. I don't want you to depend on your memory. Okay,
Okay, okay,
better to look at the screen, see the letters and the sounds. I know that you already memorized Al-Fatiha, but this is the first time you might read it. Okay, read it from the
okay,
screen by your own. You know how to read
okay.
now.
Okay.
The third ayah, ayah number 3. الرحمن الرحيم.
Ar Ar
الرحمن.
Ar-Rahmani
Not
Rah
don't now. Don't add kha sound there.
Ar-Rahman
No,
Rah
rah. Not yes. Al ha is lower. Al ha is lower at the throat. Okay, the
Okay.
throat there, deep, deep in the throat. But al kha at the top of the throat. Okay, al kha, al ghain, and al kha are from the closest part from the throat. But al ha, okay, from the deepest
Okay.
part. Okay,
Okay, okay.
lower. So if you are
Okay.
making kha sound now, you're not at the right exit point, the right articulation point. You need to be
Okay.
lower. From there. That's it.
Okay.
It
I
might be
yeah, yeah.
hard at the beginning, but you need to practice it. But
Okay.
al kha sound is completely wrong. Okay, not there.
Okay.
We're not on al kha sound. Okay.
Yes.
الرحمن الرحيم.
Okay.
It's okay. Take your
Our
time. No
I'm
rush,
just
no rush. Look at the screen and no rush. الرحمن الرحيم.
okay. I just always feel so silly with accents. Okay.
No, it's okay. No worries.
Uh Ar 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 Ar-Rahman Ni Rahim.
First, I need you to know in your mind what are you going to do. Okay?
Okay.
We are pronouncing what letter? Ha. Not letter ha, not letter kha. Okay?
Uh-huh.
We have 3 letters. Ha, the
Okay.
easiest one. Ha in the
Ha.
middle. Kha is the strongest one. 3 sounds, like 3 degrees. Three
Uh-huh.
degrees. Okay? 3 degrees. The first step,
Okay.
ha sound. Only push in ear. Ha sound. This is ha letter. Letter ha. Just ear passing from the throat. Nothing, nothing. It's just ear passing. Okay? It's already existed in English. But we have ha sound. Ha sound is not in English, okay? That's why
Mhm.
it is a little difficult. Okay? But
Okay.
it's not that hard. It's not impossible. Okay?
It's the R that's getting me.
The
The
R,
I, yes, the R. I don't like that's what's getting me.
R. No, it's not.
R.
No need to. No, no.
R.
R. You see your tongue. Let me show you. I have a picture. I have a picture. I
Thank
can
you.
show you where to put your tongue. Whoa,
Yes.
look there. We have the throat letters there. The throat letters are 6 throat letters. Okay, they are in pairs. Okay, Ain Ha from one place. Okay, Ain Ha are coming from the same place. Hamza Ha are coming from another place. Al Ghain and Al Ha also they are coming at the same place. Okay, 3 places at the throat. Okay, we have a big articulation point called the throat. Okay, our throat, our throat has 3 gates or 3 places. Okay,
Mhm.
the 3 places pronounce 6 letters or 6 sounds. Okay, the 3 places make 6 sounds or 6 letters. Okay, the deepest part of the throat. There. You see it? You see my throat? The deepest part. There.
Hmm.
At this point. This is the deepest part. This part makes al-hamza and al-ha. Uh, uh. If you say you feel it there. Uh, uh. Okay?
Okay.
Let's go up a little. Go up a little. Okay? But we
Okay.
still at the throat. Where there was al-hamza and al-ha. Hamza and al-ha. Let's go up a little for ayn and ha. Ayn and ha, you feel it there in the middle.
Ein. Ha. Okay.
Ayn ha. Ah ha.
Ein.
Yes, if you want to make it strong, say ah.
Ah.
That's it.
Ein.
Not
Ein.
ayn.
Ah.
Sound. Ah.
Ah.
Yes, and
Ah.
yes, not pushing ear. You have to close the gate. Do you see this gate?
Which, okay.
Do you see
Yeah.
this gate?
Oh,
Close
it's
it.
back.
Yes, it gets back. It gets back a little to make reflection of the ear. The ear passing from there. The ear is bathing from there. Okay? When you close this vocal, this is called vocal cords. Have you
Yeah.
heard of that name before? Vocal cords?
Yes, I
You
have.
close the vocal cords a little. Okay? Ah. Ah. Okay? If you didn't close the vocal cords, it will be ha, completely ha. And if you completely close the vocal cords, completely closed, it will be a. Okay?
Uh,
Again,
okay.
again. Three stats for the vocal cords.
Okay.
Completely opened, it's ha. Okay?
Uh-huh.
Completely opened, ha. Okay? Completely opened to make the ear passing. Then completely closed. If it's completely closed, no air passing, this is a, a.
Oh.
The vocal cords are completely closed. Then
Oh.
the third starts, it's in the middle, in between. Not closed, not opened. This is what? This is ha. Okay? Just to go back a little to make reflection, okay? Then we move to غين خاء. غين خاء, okay, there at the top. خلاص, this is the last part of the throat, and here is the mouth start, another exit point, mouth. Okay?
Hmm.
The mouth already another gate or another place for pronouncing some letters. Okay? We have something called articulation points. Okay? The articulation points are throat. Okay? Throat, mouth, the mouth, the tongue. The tongue itself is articulation point. Okay? Tongue, the lips. Okay? The lips and al khayshum, the nose. Okay?
Hmm.
These places, these five articulation points are big gates, but in the middle, there are another articulation point. Like the throat itself has three articulation point. The lips, the tongue has is subdivided into another articulation point. The mouth, okay, are subdivided into another articulation points. Okay, but for now, I don't want to take you so far. I want you to know how to make al-ha clear. Al-ha, you close the vocal cords a little, so it makes reflection. Okay? Back to Quran. Back to Quran. Ar-Rahmani. Now,
Okay. 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 I got this. This one is the one at the lowest point of the throat. Yes.
No, not the lowest part, the middle.
Okay, the middle. So this one is
No, that's the lowest part. That's the deepest
yo,
part.
what the heck? What?
This is ha. This is ha. You're pronouncing ha. You only push an ear. Go up a little. Yes, ha. Good job. Ar-Rahmani.
Al-Rah. Uh, oh no, wait, chill. Al-Rahmani.
Ar-Rahim.
Al-Rahim.
Okay, thank you. That could be it for now, inshallah, and we can continue later, inshallah.
Oh
Okay?
my gosh.
It's okay. No
Okay.
worries, no worries, no worries. Just for now, we have a big articulation point called the throat. The throat
Yeah.
is subdivided into three levels. The deepest
Okay.
part, where is Al Hamza and Al Ha. The middle part,
Mhm.
where is Al Ain and Al Ha. And the closest part, okay, is
Yeah.
Ghain Kha at the top. You feel it close to your
Yeah. Yeah.
mouth, okay?
Uh-huh.
We
Mhm.
have read three ayat from Surah Al-Fatiha and we will continue later, inshallah. Wait for me.